The VEVOR Pipe Heating Cable in the 120 feet length delivers steady freeze protection for long metal or plastic runs, making it a practical choice for exposed plumbing, outdoor spigots, and hoses in harsh winters. Its self-regulating design adjusts output as the pipe temperature changes, which helps conserve energy while still preventing ice buildup when the weather turns extremely cold. With roughly 5 watts per foot and quick warm-up, this cable reaches protective temperatures in only a few minutes, so pipes are not left vulnerable during sudden temperature drops. The integrated thermostat automatically switches the system on and off within a narrow temperature range, reducing the need for constant monitoring and lowering the risk of overheating. A grounded plug with an indicator light and a generous power lead make it easy to confirm the cable is energized and to reach distant pipe runs without extra extensions. The flexible construction and pre-assembled layout allow straightforward installation in straight, spiral, or crossing patterns, so a single person can outfit a long line without special tools.